Hey guys, it's Michelle aka Stunna, and today I'm going to do a what's in my makeup kit video. So this is what's in my makeup artistry kit that I carry with me on jobs, mostly bridal, but some other things, special occasions, birthdays, photo shoots, all kinds of different things. I keep sponges in here. These are sponges I got from Shop Miss A, and I give every person that I do their makeup, I give them their own sponge. I don't reuse sponges. And then we got Pixie Glow Pads. I use these on almost everybody, just to like cleanse the face, exfoliate, makeup remover wipes. Then I keep just cotton pads, tissues, what do you call these? Blotting sheets. Now this right here, this is called Tegaderm film, and what I do is I put it on the back of my hand and I use it as kind of like a palette. If I don't want to use like a regular palette, I'll use those. I've got some Beauty So Clean wipes that I'll use for different makeup products. And I have this, which is called Model in a Bottle. This is kind of like hairspray for your face. Alright, so in this bag I have disposable like palette knives. And then I have some disposable mascara wands, lip gloss wands, a palette for lipstick, lashes that I use on brides or bridesmaids. I keep these little mini mascaras because sometimes I give these away to people, and if I don't feel like using like the disposable wands, I'll just like use one of these mini ones and just give them to them to let them have. So I never reuse these. That's gross. So this is called Super Sealer. So this is kind of also like a hairspray for your face. This is a brush cleanser, Cinema Secrets, Beauty So Clean. I can use this to spray on either blushes or eyeshadows, and this just sanitizes everything. A lip scrub, hand sanitizer, eye drops. This is for people who maybe have red eyes, but also I use this. I'll drop a couple drops in a mascara tube if it's a little dry. And so I have that for that, just in case the mascara gets a little dry. And then I have this little guy, it's kind of cool. These are hand soap sheets. So if I'm ever somewhere on location or anything, there's no soap and water, and I need to wash my hands, I can just use one of these sheets and then like a bottle of water, and I can just wash my hands that way. And then I have this Nurturing Force cream, which is really good for oil control. So here I've got skin prep, I've got moisturizers, I've got primers, I've got more spray, I've got some hand sanitizer also back there. I have balm that I like to use for people's lips to like prep their lips. And I have some lip primers in here, some other face primers, and I have like, let me show you. I have this glaze that I love. It's perfect for just a clear lip gloss, but you can also use this for other stuff, but I mostly just use it for lip gloss. So here is where I have a few blushes, highlighters, a liquid. This is a watercolor blush. I really love this. I use this for like the cheeks and lips sometimes. And then I think I have a bronzer in there too. These are some of my go-to lipsticks for bridal. Lipsticks and lip glosses for bridal. These are my foundations. I love my Mary Kay foundation, so this is what I use normally. But I also have some Danessa Myricks foundations, and that's it. Everything else is Mary Kay, I think. I also have some concealers in there from Ofra. Okay, so here is eye stuff. I have mascara, I have a couple eyeshadows, I have paint pots from MAC. This is Painterly. I've got this MAC pigment and vanilla, I think. Yeah. Vanilla. I love this for the inner corner eye highlight, so I use this a lot for that. I have these Stila glitters and Urban Decay glitter eyeliners, but I use them on the lid too. I actually use these more on the lid than as eyeliner, just to give like a little sparkle. These are glazing eye glosses from Butter London, and these are really cool because they're like kind of like jelly, and they're really cool. And then I just have some stuff in here for lashes. I have lash glue and lash applicator, eyelash curler, and I think I have brow gel and stuff in there, sharpener, stuff like that. And then in here I just keep all my pencils. I keep my lip pencils, eye pencils, and my brow pencils. I pretty much only use Anastasia Beverly Hills for brows because that's just the best in my opinion. I have one Kevin Kwan pencil too. And then I also carry Mary Kay CC creams in every shade because you guys have seen enough of my videos where I use this. It's magic, it's amazing, I love it, and I'll never ever go through life without it. If they ever discontinue this, I'm gonna die. Oh, I dropped one. I'm gonna die for real, like I can't. Danessa Myricks cream palette. I use this often for lips and for cheeks. Lorac Pro matte palette. I love this for bridal. It's just perfect colors for bridal. And same with this palette, the Patrick Star palette. I'll show you. Perfect bridal colors. I've got the contour kit. I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow kit. It's got every single shade in here. So no matter what your hair color is, I got you covered. These are some of my favorite eyeshadows. They're from Makeup Geek. I think every single one is from Makeup Geek. So I love those. These are my blushes. These are mostly from La Femme, I think. I think I got a couple MAC ones in there too. I have the Urban Decay original palette. I almost never use this. I just feel the need to just always have it in my kit, but I never use it. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I use this not as much as the other one, but I just like to have it in case someone wants a bolder lip color. I've got my translucent powder for all over face, and then my Laura Mercier for under the eyes. I just have this white foundation mixer if I just need to lighten up something. I have this pretty cool palette I don't use very often, but I just like to keep it in my kit. I have this that you can use for anything, including your eyes, lips, cheeks. And I just really love this taupey shade, so I like to keep that. Pro Conceal color corrector, lip glosses, and these things are just amazing. This is literally like the sun in a bottle. I love to use this underneath foundation, and it just gives you like that inner glow. And it's perfect for brides because you literally look like you're glowing in the most beautiful way. So I can use this on anybody, which is nice. It's very versatile. And then these deeper shades, I would use this on top of the cheeks on my really dark chocolatey sisters. And then medium to a little bit darker, I would use this one. Okay, so that's everything I have in my makeup kit that I take with me. Of course, I have my brushes. I would show you my brushes, but they're all taking a bath tonight. They will be taking a bath tonight, so I can't show you them right now. I also take a light. I take a chair, a makeup chair, and then I also take this, which is just my media kit. I have some headphones in there. I keep SD cards in here. I have my point and shoot camera here. I have a little video camera here if I want to take some video. I have a power, what do you call this? A power bank. If I need to charge anything, I can charge it using this. And then I have my battery charger for my point and shoot. And then this is the charger for this camera. And then this is the power source for my light that I bring with me. And this is the goose neck for the light. I use the makeup light. That's what I carry around with me. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little different than the normal ones, clearly. If you guys have any questions on any products that I use, please let me know. And then let me know if you want to see a like my personal makeup collection, because technically I have like 3 different collections. So let me know if you want to see anything else. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to this channel on YouTube if you have not. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like my Stunna Face makeup page. That would be wonderful. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.